Hi, everybody. Lorrie here on Vancouver Island once again. And I am in the studio, as you can see by the green screen that's going on. But this is just a quick video. I got mail from my dear sweet friends, the Vineyard Chicks. I know that Bunky picked this out for me, especially for me. So I am super appreciative. And I've actually had this for a while. And I put it up in a cupboard and ran across it the other day again because I set it up where it would be somewhere special to remember to make this video, and then I promptly forgot about it. But anyway, Bunky sent me seeds. So, there's a sweet note. I hope you're feeling better. That has to be really rough to go through. So she's talking about the shingles, which started for me at the end of January and is actually still in April quite painful. I'm still taking gabapentin for it. Not as much. I'm slowly weaning myself off of it, but it's just kind of an irritant that's always there for me at this point, which kind of stinks. There's still marks on my back too, which but I'm functioning again and moving on from that. So anyway, here are the seeds Bunky picked out for you. I won a giveaway on their channel. We hope you have a great time growing them, and I certainly will. Thank you for your support and everything you've done for us. Everything you've done for me, ladies. You have no idea. From shout outs to helping us figure out our lives. We really appreciate it. Thank you for all you do. God bless KK. So beautiful little note that came with it. And the seeds. So I don't know if I'll be able to start some of these for this year. Some of them I might have to save for next year. Like these are a Brandywine pink tomato. And I've got my tomatoes started for this year. And I started them weeks ago. Because if I try to start a seed now, I'm barely going to get anything off of it. But anyway, that'll go in next year. These will go in this year. These are some Danvers half-long carrots. They're going in the ground. The next time I can get out and plant, some of those are going in the ground. I have a 5-color Chinese pepper, which is beautiful. I think it's, I don't know, are they edible peppers or are they just, edible ornamental? So they're edible and ornamental. So that's kind of cool. Those are pretty. And then what is this? Some slow bolt cilantro, which around here I definitely need that. It's actually getting to be a little bit late for me to put cilantro out. But I think I might start a couple of seeds anyway. So thanks so much, Vineyard Chicks. You know that I appreciate you all the time. And thanks so much for sending those. I do have one comment to make on the shipping. Whether I win something or not, for a little tiny envelope that's this big, the shipping costs from up there were outrageous. So if that happens again, let me know. And wait till I order something from your wine store or from your vinegar store. I know you can't ship wine up here, but and then we can at the very least split the cost of shipping, because that was crazy how much they charge you for shipping. I was quite shocked when I saw that. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up and say thanks for popping in. I love you so very much. Thanks for being here for me, and thanks for hanging out. Take good care of yourself. I will see you soon. Bye now.